Guys, look at that. Tomorrow them full 3 weeks. I'm supposed to hate me by now. Look. Them pen is a mess. I'm overcrowded. But I've been really busy on the road. I really never have the time to take them out before now. But hey guys, hey babies, I'm gonna do that today. Yes, look on them here up here, so. Yeah man. Too big for the nursery. Way too big. Nursery overcrowded. Them can't bother them on food and water right now. I'm there try to fix the water pan. And the water pan, still can't get the water pan to fix. But yeah. I'm taking it out right now. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be taking out my chicken from the nursery / the brooding area, and I'll be putting them in the rearing area. Now in my last video, I looked at some things that I pay attention to before I move them into the rearing area. Yes, so I have to ensure that rearing area is safe and take as much precaution as possible to ensure that I'm going to put garlic, foster the holistic development of water drinker chick. Also, in my previous video, I state that I purposely give them less feed so that they could run out of feed, so it would be easier for me to ask to take them out of the nursery and put them in the rearing area. And I will be demonstrating how I do that. And I do different method, because sometimes my boys are at home and they do help me to move them, which is way easier. And the thing I love do with the chicken them when I time for them come out of the nursery too is I want them to run out of feeding and run out of water. Right? And the thing I love do with the chicken them when I time for them come out of the nursery too is I want them to run out of feeding and run out of water. Right? So by the time I come to take them intrigued, them hungry, them thirsty, them just want, them used to me I feed them. So when them see me come, them say, oh yes, master come with food and water. And I run to master. And then they realize I take them out and I put them down because you know them easy to catch when it comes to food and water because them thirsty and them hungry. So yeah, so I take them now no water, now run out of water, run out of feed. No? So I go open the door and let's see what's up. You come out now? No water and feed, come out. I don't mind if the nursery was just low all along. Like instead of top and bottom. Because it's very easy for them just walk out. You understand? It's very easy. You come out, see water and food there. Come. Oh, you have to have patience when you deal with them for the animal. I tell you. Look, rub your enough to say they don't have time. Come out now, man. Mummers. Get out of the pan already. Okay, so I'm trying to feed now, girl. Try to feed now, girl. Open so then we come. Come out. Go on down there, so. Yo, then stay there and go down that side. Go, go, go. My God. Go back that side. Go back that side. To the feeding down there, so go on. The one them there, so go on. Go down that side. Go. Go down that side. Come, go that side. Go back that side. Yeah, man, go that side, go that side, go that side, go that side, go that side. Man, the whole of them were in there to come out, come eat. But the one when I think just run over here, so back. And then I try to go back in our plane. Oh, God, I'm stubborn, brother. Oh, go for this one. Mighty Lamb of God. That's the when I come back again. And answer that. Take this one. So then come feed us, so I just grab them and push them over. Whew! So I finally get all of them out of the nursery now. So then tomorrow them full 3 weeks. And about 3 days after that, that's tomorrow Thursday, them full 3 weeks. Then you have Friday, Saturday. About Sunday, I'm going to start give them the big grain. Mix the big grain with the fine grain so then get accustomed to it. So by Thursday, then get straight big grain. And you know, next week Thursday, they are going to be 4 weeks. And you know, so after that, they're going to start, you know, get bigger and bigger. Anyway, so this is garlic. Garlic in the water. Yeah. So I'm going to do that. Put it on the block. Yep. I want to make sure, say, it is somewhere flat. Right, let's go. But I think they might drink more water than that. Why when they are accustomed to the feeding in a specific container, it come like them hard to just stop eat out of the container. Alright, you store your feeding pan a pallet, so one pallet underneath this. Let me store the feeding in pan. Can I get a whole barrage of feeding yesterday? I never did ready for because I was on the road. The bit after I reach in the feeding them come. So yeah. So you can store your feeding in a pallet or in a drum. This is to in a jug. And I love see when them a drink water, like them line up around the water pan and I drink water. Or line up around the feeding pan and drink and eat feed.